The roller ball pressing machine has obvious advantages, such as high ball rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. In the production process of the ball press, the output value and the quality of the ball should be guaranteed. The particle size of the roll should be within the range of 90 to 260 mesh. The electrolytic powder should not contain impurities with high hardness, otherwise, the surface of the roll will be damaged. The feed of the ball roller should be uniform and timely, and the adjustable screw feeder should be used. In the process of rolling ball press production, it is necessary to observe the return amount of rolling ball press in time and adjust the supply of new material to ensure the quality of ball rolling machine, but must not overload operation. To maintain the maintenance of equipment, in addition to the overhaul management, overload operation is also a key factor affecting the production of equipment and the quality of the ball.